Right, so this is how to seat the bead of a motorbike. This is a 180/55 tyre, commonly found on 600s. So I am going to seat the bead, or attempt to seat the bead, on using nothing but a foot pump, and see if it's possible without a compressor. So using this foot pump, I'm going to try and seat the bead using this only and see what happens. So you can see bead's not properly seated around there. It's okay on that side, but around here it's not seated at all, and on the other side it's actually down the bottom. So I'm going to squirt loads of muck off down there just to help it along. And let's see if it's possible. Great Tyre lubricant. Right, let's see what happens. Oh, by the way, the valve core is removed. You can hear it leaking out air from about here. Let's keep going. I think we're losing air too quickly, but let's have a look. There's one. Not this side though. There we go. Whew. So it's possible with a bit of effort and a lot of tyre lubricant. We're at 22 psi. So yeah, that's seated quite nicely with just a double barrel foot pump. Right, now to let all the air out. Right, so there you have it. Seating a 180/55 17-inch, 180/55 R17 tyre. Seating the bead using nothing but a foot pump.